Welcome back to my channel, Pugo4 here. Today I'm going to do something a little different than my other videos, but I kind of want to do this too because it's like an old pastime of mine that I kind of want to get back into just a little bit, and it's sports card collection. So I'm going to do some openings. I got a couple different things here. Got 3 things on clearance. I got this Topps Heritage Baseball Topps 2019 Series 1, which the season just ended, so it's clearance, so that works for me. Some basketball NBA hoops from 2018-2019 season, so that was last year's, but still clearance. There's still good cards inside. There's no reason not to buy them. And some football. We got Panini Prism, little booster pack here. There's 3 packs and a bonus red, white, and blue pack. So I'll try that out. And then I picked up this thing at Walgreens. It's a Teeny Mates Color Rush. Not fully sure what it is, but I'm gonna find out. All right, so baseball just ended, so I'll start with the Topps Baseball 2019 Series 1. 7 packs and 1 exclusive pack, which I'll open last. So best for last, because you know that's gonna be the best. Pack number 1. Okay, so Kyle Schwarber, Michael Moreland, Mark Trumbo, Atlanta Braves Park, Wade LeBlanc, Aroldis Chapman kicked the Indians' ass in the World Series, and I hated him for it. Oh, Jose Altuve, looks like an insert of some kind, so that's good because he's a really good baseball player. Ronald Acuna Jr., another really good baseball player. AL West Studs Division Finest Hawk Shop American League. Oh, it looks like a checklist. Yeah, checklist. Still pretty cool. A lot cooler than they used to be. Yoenis Cespedes. Not as good as he used to be, but still a good player. Zach Davies. Ronald Guzman. Tyler Anderson. Robert Sesselman. That's the first pack. No Cleveland cards, but that's okay. That's always what I'm going for because I'm a Cleveland sports fan. Unfortunately for me, right? Next pack. Alright, next pack is open. Shohei Ohtani, Topps rookie? Was he a rookie this year? No, last year he was a rookie, so. What is that? It's Topps, oh, All-Star. Cool. Chris Bryant, good baseball player. Billy Hamilton. George Soldier. Boston Red Sox, Fenway Park. Jim Palmer, Greatest Players card. That's pretty sweet. Baltimore Orioles legend. Jim Palmer. Oh, got a shiny card of Ben Zobrist. Like a refractor. That's awesome. Not numbered, but still cool. Mike Leake, Maikel Franco, Blake Chanel, Wilbur Dilfo, Matt Chapman, Josh Bell, and Joe Musgrave, and that with 2 Pittsburgh Pirate cards. So that's good. It's a nice pack. I'll take it. Pack number 3. Cole Stewart, Kobe Allard, Jock Peterson, Michael Brantley. He's in Houston now, but Love me some Michael Brantley. He's a great baseball player and played great for us for a long time. Set him to the side. Steve Pearce, World Series card. Dansby Swanson, sorry. Jose Abreu. Jonathan Scoop. Looks like it's like kind of golden. Not numbered. Oh, it's numbered. It's number 14 out of 2019. That's cool. Another insert card. Sandy Koufax. Another all-time great for the Dodgers. Joey Wendell. Future Stars. Probably going to butcher this one. Loudris Gurriel Jr. Danny Duffy. Buster Posey. And Robinson Cano. That was a good pack too. Next pack. Michael Lorenzen. Brad Keller. Ranger Shurez. Pitcher. Never heard of him. Justin Upton. Eddie Rosario, the Twins. Marcus Stroman. Another future star. Joey Lucchesi, San Diego Padres. This one is not numbered. Oh. Phillies. Nick Williams insert, I'm assuming, because he's a modern guy, but it's an old school look, which that's an awesome insert. I liked those cards back then. Home Run Challenger, Kyle Schwarber. Ooh, there's a code on the back. Topps Promotions. I'll have to look into that, see if I can decide if I want to scratch it or keep it. Probably won't scratch it. Choose this game. Choose the game you think the player will hit a home run. Oh, yeah, well, that's probably passed because season's over. Kyle Baracoa. Oh. Kirby Yates. Miguel Andujar. Chad Green. And Lorenzo Cain. Good pack. Not as good as the last one, I don't think, but might be. I don't know. I gotta look up what some of those cards are worth. We'll see. All right, 3 packs left of baseball, and then the special exclusive pack. Hopefully, get some Indians. But Nick Ahmed, Jonathan Biller, Carlos Rondon, Philadelphia Phillies Park, Christian Yelich. He is one heck of a player. I was really hoping the Indians would get him before he got traded to Milwaukee. And he just went off when he went there. I always thought when he was with the Marlins that he was going to be good. Sometimes I call him, sometimes I don't. Nicholas Cantos. Oh. One of the all-time greats. One of my brother's favorite players and a player I've always really loved. And I miss watching him play. Cal Ripken Jr. Look at this guy. Baltimore Orioles legendary shortstop / third baseman at the end. Cal Ripken Jr., the Iron Man. That is awesome. I'll definitely be keeping that card. Ronald Acuna Jr. insert. That's sweet. He's good. Salvador Perez. Chris Davies. Mike Zunino. Here we go. Future star. Shane Bieber. Heck yes. This is awesome. That makes me happy. Love Shane Bieber. He is one heck of a baseball player. I think he was the MVP of the All-Star game. Roll Tribe. Chris Taylor. Randall Gruchunk. Butchering that one. Oh, that Bieber card made this pack my favorite so far. And the Bieber and Cal Ripken Jr. Yeah, I love seeing guys from the 90s because that's when I was really hardcore buying baseball cards. If I got a Griffey card, I would be ecstatic. I know there is one. I doubt I'll get it. Griffey is my all-time favorite player. Oh, this pack's starting out very, very well. Very first card, right off the top. The man, Francisco Lindor. Love this guy. Absolutely love this guy. Mr. Smiles, call him. Oh, Trevor Bauer. 2 Indians in a row. Loving it. He got traded to Cincinnati. But still, Trevor Bauer is a very good baseball player, and I enjoyed watching him play when he was here. It's unfortunate we had to deal him, but we're stacked at pitching right now, and he's going to demand a lot of money that the Dolans aren't going to want to pay. Steven Duggar. Francisco Cervelli. Albert Almora. Carlos Carrera. Oh. Topps Greatness Returns. Oh, this is cool. So Giancarlo Stanton and Reggie Jackson insert. Giancarlo Stanton was one of my favorite players with the Marlins. He's been hurt a lot with the Yankees, but David Price, World Series card, great player. Chris Annetta. Adam Eaton. Ian Kennedy. Shin Shu Chu. When he was with the Indians, I used to love going to the games and being like, choo. But we actually traded him for Trevor Bauer, which I got in this pack, so that's kind of ironic. Nico Goodlum. And Matt Duffy. All right. Last regular baseball pack before I open the exclusive pack. I'm gonna butcher this one, so sorry Braves fans, but Tokaki Tosant. Not fully sure. Oh, Corey Kluber. Klubot. Absolutely love Kluber. We traded him, same thing as Bauer. We could afford to make a trade like that because of our youth in the pitching. But this has been one solid pro. Absolutely loved watching him. I'm gonna miss him in the Cleveland Indians uniform. Two-time All-Star, or two-time Cy Young, multi-time All-Star, I'm sure. Great player. All-time, loved him. Sugar Eduardo or something, or Aguero Suarez, sorry. Yomir Sanchez. Xavier Bogaerts. Edwin Encarnacion. Love getting Santana back. Hated trading Edwin Encarnacion. Such a good baseball player. I was so excited when we signed him from Toronto. Felt bad for Toronto Blue Jays fans because they lost him to us and we just beat them, but I loved Edwin Encarnacion. Great player. Ross Stripling. Robinson Cano. He was my all-star on my fantasy team when he was with the Yankees. Yender Molina insert. Not numbered. It's normal insert. Felipe Vasquez. Brandon Crawford. George Polanco. Kyle Seager. Chris Davies. Topps one exclusive 150 years of professional baseball commemorative patch card inside. Come on, Cleveland Indians or Ken Griffey Jr. That would be awesome. But I'll take whatever it is, because... Ooh. That is a really cool card. It's just one card. It's thick. Noah Syndergaard. 40 of 50. I like it. That is such a thick card. Look at the thickness on this card. It's just one card. That is really sweet. I'll take it. Noah Syndergaard is a great young player. They're always talking about trades, and they might have traded him. I don't remember. I don't follow the Mets that closely, but I like it. All right, now I got this Topps Heritage Booster Baseball Pack. Might as well stick with baseball. Oh, these are like throwback cards. Rookie Stars, the Cardinals. Yu Darvish, the Cubs. These are cool. Mitch Moreland. Jesse Brittle. I might have to get another pack of these if they're still there. Ewan Merceda. Joey Wendell. Alex Cobb. Brad Hand, Cleveland Indians. He had a great start to the season and then got a little rocky, but he's still a solid pitcher. Yoenis Cespedes. Billy Hamilton. Yadier Molina. Astros Rookie Stars. A 3-card like they used to do back in the old days. Framber Vasquez, Josh James, and Dean Dietz. Alex Condon. Max Scherzer. Corey Dickerson. Carlos Rendon. Trascar Hernandez. Seth Lugo. Marcus Stroman. Jake Jennis. That was interesting. I like the style of these cards, so probably buy another pack potentially if they're still there, because this was a clearance pack, but we'll see. So on to basketball. This one looks like straight packs. So got some basketball time. Let's see what we get. Got Steph Curry on the cover. Not a big fan of Steph Curry, being a Cleveland fan. You know, got him in 16 though. Should have had him in 15, but that's another story for another day. All right, these are okay. These are just Mike Muscala. There's average cards for basketball. Michael Beasley. Spencer Dinwiddie. Miles Turner. And I got blue Wesley Matthews. I think they're just blue cards. I don't know if it's special. Let's look that up. Trevor Bauer. Tobias Harris. Ohio State Buckeye. Evan Turner. First pack. I'm trying to open off camera. It's kind of loud. Josh Hart. First card in this pack. Derrick Rose. We had him that half a season, but he wasn't back to healthy yet, and he's played pretty good since then. Dwayne Desmond. Willie Cauley-Stein. I'm not familiar with him. Victor Oladipo insert. The thingamajig from the Masked Singer. Victor Oladipo. Oh, it's not. we go. Not numbered though. JJ Barea. Yanis, the Greek Freak. Heck yes. That guy's good. Derek Favors. Well, 2 packs in, no Cavs cards, but that's okay. Denzel Valentine. Sean Livingston just retired. Or after last season he retired. Drew Holiday. Gary Harris. Oh, I got a numbered card. Patty Mills, 28 of 49. That's a good card. Wesley Johnson. Mo Cheeks. Or Marquise Chris, I'm sorry. I don't know why I thought it was Mo Cheeks. And Cleveland Cavaliers, Rodney Hood. He's not with us anymore, but I didn't have a Rodney Hood card, so I will take it. Happy about that. Next pack. Oh, Manu Ginobili. Michael Porter Jr. Kelly Auburn Jr. I don't know who that is. Malik Monk. I'm not sure about him either. Eric Gordon, different colored card. Shaquille O'Neal, my man. I love Shaq. Shaq is probably my all-time favorite basketball player, so that makes it worth it. That makes me happy. That's awesome. Shaq Daddy. Courtney Lee. Dragon Bender. Hemu Dalu. Luke Kelly. Or Kennard. Luke Kennard. Kennard. Oh. Michael Green. Not sure who all these people are. Oh, this is this is the pack of the deck right here. The next 2 cards. First one is thick, which means it's a jersey card. John Collins. The jersey patch in the middle. It's not numbered, but that's awesome. Rookie remembrance, to look him up. And then a refractor card of DeAndre Ayton. I think he was the #1 pick last year. So he's class 2018, #1. Not numbered, but still, it's a refractor, and that's awesome. This was definitely the pack of the box that was, I should count it, it doesn't matter. Lou Williams. Al Farouk Aminu. Sorry if I butchered that. And then, just retired after last season, Dirk Nowitzki. So, then we got DeAndre Moulton, Wendell Carter Jr. rookie card, 2 rookie cards in a row. Josh Richardson, Alan Krabby, Jason Tatum, Mikel Brogdon, Ricky Rubio, and Milos Teodosic. I'm not sure. Marvin Bagley III, TJ McConnell, Tyreek Evans, John Collins, Dario Saric. It's kind of purple. So for a reason they have different color cards. Troy Daniels, Larry Bird. Larry's not white, Larry's clear. Space Jam. All-time great. And Jonas Valanciunas. Next pack. Butchering this one, I'm telling you right now. C. Malovic. It's a rookie card. Tyrus Jones. Buddy Hield. Ooh, dropped it. Still safe. Alfred Payton. The Pulse insert card. Blake Griffin. Enes Kanter. Center. Josh Jackson. Mike Scott. Robin Lopez. Jonas Jericho. Nikolai Vulic. Otto Porter Jr. Insert card. Faces of the Future. Shea Glorious Alexander. Probably butchered that. I'm not fully sure. Rookie card. Damian Lillard. Dirk Nowitzki. Thought I had a Dirk. Eric Bledsoe. Alright, 2 packs left. Still no Cavs rookie or no LeBrons either. It's kind of Petty Mills again. This is a normal one. Luke Doncic. Real Madrid is a rookie card. Luke Doncic. Michael Kidd Gilchrist. Reggie Jackson. Buddy Healy. Rudy Gorbett. Patrick Beverly. Kobe Bryant. I'll take it. That's cool. Throwback card. Last pack of basketball. Terrence Ferguson. PJ Tucker. Dylan Brooks. Hassan Whiteside. Paul George insert card. Get out. Get out. Something? I can't tell what it says behind the... Oh, get out of the way, it says. Get out of the way. George Hill. Cleveland Cavaliers. He's gone now too, but still cool. Got him in the Kyrie trade. Kyle Lowry. Tim Hardaway Jr. Oh, that's into the basketball. Okay, so it's got Dwayne Haskins and Dak Prescott on the wrapper. Dwayne from Ohio State Buckeye. I will take that all day long. So, first pack of these. Derek Barnett, they're shiny. Jimmy Graham. David Johnson. Rookie card, Quadri Olson, running back. And then an access code card. I guess I'll look into that later. Set it to the side. Next pack, we got Kirk Alonzo, Curtis Samuel. Oh, Terrell Davis. Wow, I'm getting a lot of my all-time favorites. I loved Terrell Davis. I used to play him back in Madden in '99, or whatever it was. Loved TD. That is awesome. That card makes me happy. And this looks like it might be a refractor-ish, maybe? Yeah, it's got the rainbow color to it for Austin Hooper. All right, last regular pack. Justin Tucker, kicker. DeAndre Hopkins, Marquise Goodwin, and Josh Allen hype card. That's pretty cool. Kind of wish it was Baker just because would have been Baker. All right, I had to take a short break because my light went out, so I had to charge it back up, but 2 to go. All right, so here's the red, white, and blue pack. Oh, Austin Hooper. So I got him red, white, and blue, and refractor. So like a double whammy for him. Todd Gurley had a down year, but was still a really good player. And Miles Boykins, rookie, Baltimore. Don't really know him, but it's okay. Still cool. Little red, white, and blues. And then this guy, I have to cut that open, I think. I don't see a tear spot. Try this guy out. Just don't want to cut something on the inside. What we got here? Josh Allen. It's kind of cool and weird at the same time. And Thomas. So, the wide receiver, I think. So, Ohio State Buckeyes. Those are interesting. What else does it have? A couple puzzle pieces, I guess. There's probably a giant puzzle you gotta put together. They don't match at all, so. Right? Yes, they do. 2 puzzle pieces. And then, oh yeah. And Kyler Murray and Derrick Henry, which don't match up with these, so that's kind of strange. You'd think they would match up. Pocket profiles. Oh, that's what was in there, so I don't know if I would get that again, but it was worth a try. Alright, so that was my opening. Definitely this was the best card of the thing. I would guess. I gotta look them all up still, but I'll take it. Of course. My favorite's gotta be Mr. Lindor. Alright, so if you're still watching, it's probably a longer video than I planned, but thank you. Like, subscribe, comment. I'll be making more. Have a good day.